If you'd like to see how I transformed this Dollar Tree photo frame into this glamorous piece of wall art, continue watching this video. Hi YouTube! Today this is going to be just a quick simple video of me taking an 11 by 14 Dollar Tree picture frame and turning it into some cute little wall art. This is going to be like a gift for someone who just got their own apartment. I'm really proud of her. She does nails. She don't just do nails, she slays them. So I'll put the link to her Instagram and all that in there. Anyway, so I used some of this before. This is just some Five Below glitter table runner. I'm gonna use some of this and put this in the frame because it matches her logo really good. So her mom sent the link, the photo to my phone. I went and printed it out. I have a laminator from Amazon Basics and I laminated her logo. I had it printed out in a size 5 by 5 on Costco.com. I already cut out what I wanted to say. This is her slogan. If it ain't junky, it's funky, okay? That's her slogan. So cute. So you'll need some scissors. You'll need some, this is like frog tape or paint tape, masking tape, or you can use, what is it called? It's some decal paper tape. I can't find it, so I'm using this instead, but I forgot the name of it. Decal tape. Anyway, I'm gonna use this little paintbrush because I'm gonna try to experiment with this, the frame. I want to cover this with some like gold leafing material. And then you just need like some type of old gift card or something so you can smooth on your letters. So let me just hurry up and get started. This is gonna be something quick. Here's the gold leaf. I never worked with this before, but I'm going to attempt to get this on the actual frame just to spruce it up some. So you just go ahead, open up your frame, go like this, or I can have it go like this. I'm thinking I want it to be like this, but this might be cutting it kind of close. Yeah, the way I cut this, I could have did it a little bit smaller. So I may end up going this way, which is really cool too. So first, what I'm going to do is flip it over. Remove this. And if you see a previous video I had, I put glitter on this and used it because it was a pretty color that I wanted to use, but this is just way quicker. It's not as messy, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. And that beautiful sound that you hear in the back is my lovely newborn daughter making those baby noises. Okay, so I'm going to start with the frame. Oh, where's the glue? Okay. We're using some Mod Podge glue. This is about $10 from Walmart. Alright, so, and if this doesn't work out for me, I'm not going to be upset. What I'll do, if this doesn't work, the gold leaf thing doesn't work, then I'm just going to put this on here like this. And if I can't get it to work like how I feel like it should, I'll just end up using glitter. I don't know how much I should put on here. I don't know if I'm gonna just lay it on, brush it on, but I just wanted to have a little something. Just want to put a little hefty amount on here. Oh, it's so I don't know if there's a front or a back. I don't know if I'm supposed to. Oh, can you guys see that? Let me zoom in on here. I probably should have had a brush. It's really thin, like it's extremely lightweight. I'm just kind of just pressing it on here. Oh, okay. Probably should have had a brush. It just kind of sits right on there. I don't know how to cure it on here to stay. I'm gonna just play with it. Or I do have some sprays. So I have some, what are those sprays called? I have like some acrylic sprays that may help this cure. It looks so pretty on my finger. Look. Okay. Well, that's not really that light, but. And the foil leaf, I picked that up from, where'd that come from? Oh, the foil leaf was about $5 and I got like 100 sheets of it. It was either Amazon or it was eBay. So just check both. I think I like that foil leaf though. Just gonna brush the glue on. Even if it doesn't cover the whole thing, I like the it's a little messy, but I like how it's staining it. I just wanted it to have something going on instead of just being super blank. So it doesn't have to cover the whole thing for me. I like the scattered look it's giving. It's doing exactly what I wanted to do. I just wanted to have something instead of just being this basic plain. But you can go further with this however you see fit. I'm back and I let the Mod Podge cure and I'm rubbing it and it feels nice. It reminds me of like Crackle nail polish or something. I don't know, but I think this looks really pretty. It's better than how it was just all plain. So now what I'm going to do is set that aside. I'm going to cut out the exact size that I need to fit over this foam board, over this cardboard. So you can see I just need to cut a little bit more to make sure it's even so it can fit into our Dollar Tree frame here. Now this is like a part 2 gift that goes with another video I did. So if you didn't see the coasters video, I should have the link or a card somewhere so you could check out that video as well. But I did make some coasters for her mom. whom is my nail tech. And those were amazing. I'll show them at the end of this video, or I'll insert a picture or something. But her mom gave me 4 pictures to use for her coasters, but she also included a photo of her logo. I didn't use this on the coaster, so I was like, well, I'm gonna use it for something because I want to make her something too, because I'm just proud of her hustle. I'm proud of her business, her creativity. But I was thinking like, dang, her mom said her decor is silver and black. I'm like, oh, that's not gonna match. But I just want her logo with the gold. So you know the gold, you'll see how it is when I put it together. But also she has a shop coming soon. We're just gonna put that in the atmosphere. She gonna have her own shop coming soon. So maybe this could be something that she put on her stand, or maybe hang it up somewhere if she like it enough. Hopefully she like it. But yeah, so this will be something that she can just have somewhere. And even if it is gonna clash with her home decor, maybe she could put it in her bathroom or her bedroom. You never know. You can always make room for something cute. Alright, so I have that cut out. I can make adjustments as needed. Okay, so I have this cut as the same size. Maybe I should glue this to this board, but I don't want to have any ripples, because I didn't glue it last time I did it. I do have this, because I don't want it to be, I want to make sure it's nice and stationary. So what I'll do is I'll just go along the corners and just add a little bit of glue. Put a little bit of glue on there. I'm going to make sure I lay this on here as evenly as possible. And if it's not perfect, that's fine too, because you know it's going to be in this frame. So make sure that's nice and smooth. And then I'm going to cut this in half. Okay. This is Oracle vinyl. I believe I know I purchased this off of eBay. And the way I usually purchase it is just a assortment of, let's say, about 20 sheets of different colors for no more than about $20. So I'm not gonna put this inside of the frame just yet. I'm just gonna put my wording on here, because when I press down, I don't wanna make a mistake and break the glass. So just make sure you're not using too much pressure. Also, I'm gonna wipe this glass off with alcohol. You always wanna make sure you have a clean surface when you're adding on vinyl, just in case, you know, any oils from your hand or anything. You want to make sure that your vinyl is going to stay. So I'm going to be wiping this off. Okay, so I have glue on here. Ready to go for real this time. Center, right there. Press that down firmly. I'm going to put the glass on top. Like that. I'm going to go ahead and just put it in the frame. We have that in there nice and flat. Now we're going to lay this inside. It's a little pink showing in the back where no one can see that part, but you can still just trim off the area. So you can just eyeball it. Make sure you put it in the right area where it should be. I like to bend it for some reason, like that. And I'm going to just go ahead and lay this on here. Let's see. Okay. So after you go ahead and smooth that out, Or some people take their hands and just rub it, or they take some type of maybe a towel or something. There's different methods. How I do it here. I'm not saying that this is the law of how you have to do your crafts. I'm just giving inspiration and different ideas on how to do things on this channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel up the corner of my frog tape, aka transfer tape. Okay, I still need to rub some more on this end right here, and that's fine. If it doesn't come up easy, you just have to put just a little bit more pressure. Take your time, because like I said, sometimes it still catches up on here. See, there we go. We have a little snafu right here. And I'm just gonna push that back down. Perfect. So that works really good. If you look closely, I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but I can definitely tell. The top line is slightly crooked, so it was slanted, same thing. So I'm gonna take this off. I already cut out another one. Take this little picker and just kind of pick this off. I don't have a razor blade. Okay, now let's go ahead and peel this off. Take your time. That is how it should look. It's nice and straight. There's so much glare. This is how it should look. If it ain't junky, it's funky. And again, I will link her Instagram if you do want to check out her nails. She is a big deal in the nail game. She plays no games. And I hope she likes this. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I hope you received some inspiration on how you can transform a Dollar Tree picture frame into something very cute and classy, just like this, or even better. Bye-bye.